What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. And today we are working on the EP3 Type R and we're doing something super exciting. It's not necessarily going to be an install video, but you guys are going to come along and enjoy the video. And what we are actually doing, we are installing big brakes, DC5R Brembos onto the EP3 Type R. Got the car jacked up. Alex is taking the old ones off, the old calipers off. We're going to put the new ones in. They look badass. I know some of you have seen them in previous videos. We fixed the small issues, rebuilt them, and now they're ready to put it on. So let's get into the video. So I found these Brembos and they're initially going to go on my 10 gen, but oh, someone's getting pulled over. Whoop, whoop. It was initially going to go on my 10 gen, but then I got the EP3 Type R and it just fits perfectly on here and without that much issue. And I think with the wheels, they're just going to look so good. And as you guys can see over here, these are what we are going to put on and they're going to look really good. They're going to go with the wheel setup, the valve cover and all that. So I'm excited for that. And now what we are doing is just taking off the old calipers there and we're going to put, which funny enough, this was for my 10 gen, is my S2000 rotors. It's going to be 350Z pads and DC5R Brembos. And that's going to work. So we're going to take these guys off. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. And then we'll go for a bit of a drive and we'll see the car out in the sun and see how beautiful these look. As you guys can see, these things are looking badass. We actually had to go to Lowe's and pick up smaller bolts that basically hold them onto the unit over here, onto the bracket, and get smaller ones. And we're just tightening that up, or Alex is just tightening it up. And I'm saying we're a lot, right? But we got the goat here. So Alex and I actually do something kind of, I don't know how to describe it, just kind of happened. Stupid. And if you were a superhero or a villain, what would your laugh be? And mine would be, ha ha, I am here. And Alex's would be,
ha ha, I am here.
He's my goofy.
Installing your calipers.
I got Kermit the Frog as a sidekick here. Do a laugh.
Kermit the Frog here, installing these calipers.
I challenge you guys to make a laugh, either evil or heroic, I guess that would be the word. And I don't know, put it on Facebook or put it on Instagram and make it kind of funny. We've been doing this with all our friends and we get good laughs and how bad these are. So now the Brembos are on. We're going to bleed the existing fluid that's into the car and replace it with a different one. So when you bleed it, there's an order depending if you're front wheel drive or rear wheel drive or all wheel drive. So this is a right hand drive car, so it's opposite. We're gonna start from this caliper, work to this caliper, work to that one, and driver last, pretty much. And right now we're just gonna bleed everything, and then, yeah, it's super exciting. I've had these for so long. I'm excited to get them on. They're looking good. As you guys can see, they're looking really good. This combo is gonna look amazing. So now, as Alex is releasing the valve, the guy inside the car, you're gonna pump it, don't mind my feet, and then you gotta hold it. And we're basically trying to get everything out, and then you're gonna use the same technique to release any air from your lines. So we've bled the brakes properly, we've taken all the air out, the pedal's super hard now, and now what Alex is doing is we're just rinsing off all the brake fluid on the brakes and everything like that because they can catch fire, so you wanna rinse it very, very well. And then we're gonna put the tires back on, bring the car out and go for a drive. So make sure you do that on all four. All right, so we're in the car, the brakes are on, they look badass. We're gonna go for a drive and I'm gonna see how they feel. And if they feel any better, any worse, I guess you guys will know. If they break, I guess you guys will know. If we die, I guess you guys will know. We're not gonna die. All right, let's get to it. So we're in the car and I can tell immediately that the car or the brakes are braking higher up than they used to. I don't have that spongy feeling, then like sponge then brake, so they're braking instantly. Car's driving good. We're not rubbing, no wheels, no nothing like that. And it's always a pleasure being in this EP3 Type R. Honestly, I'm slowly getting better at driving it, and we're gonna just drop some AC in here. I'm slowly getting better at driving it. I don't have too much experience ripping it or anything, but the car moves pretty good for what it is, and AC works in it, so that's a pro and a half right there. Just drop a little bit, and yeah, you know what? That's actually pretty good because I'm barely touching the brake pedal and it's braking like instantly. And like, look, see, well, you can't really see, but I'm barely touching the brake pedal and it is braking. So that is a good pro. We have no issues. It doesn't look like we're gonna die. we've rinsed off the Brembos because there's obviously brake fluid that's been spilled and whatnot. But we'll get a rip, and then we'll get maybe a high speed brake, and we'll see how that goes. But so far so good. Like, I'm liking it right now. We are just running .4 fluid at the moment. It's nothing too fancy, but it's probably a little better than what was in the car previously, and it's not running any brake fluid or any race brake fluid or anything like that, so not too bad, pretty good. Mind you, the stock ones were pretty good as is. I wasn't complaining too much, but just to have a DC5R Brembo on here, first, it looks amazing, and second of all, it brakes just a little better. This is no 6-pot brake or anything like that. These are 4 pots, so not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty excited. Appearance is what I really enjoy, because I'm not tracking this car or anything yet. I'm just kind of building it for the streets and building it to look good. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys enjoy the big brakes? What do you guys think of it? So far so good. And yeah, we'll get a rip, and we'll see how this thing brakes at higher speeds. Let's get a... Hey man, they brake pretty good. I was even stomping on the brakes, and we got from 100 to 60 pretty quickly. They actually brake good, and it's nice and smooth. We're gonna drop a gear, drop another gear, and they brake really good. So here in Mexico, one of the Mexican police got it was a little too close for comfort there, so that's it for the rips. I thought I would have been in a bit of trouble there, but we got away. So make sure you rip it in private areas, safe, on the track, and not on roads or Mexico or whatever. But yeah, the car brakes really good, as you guys saw there. There was a Mexican police behind me. I went from pretty fast to pretty slow, pretty quickly. And it did it all smooth, so I'm pretty happy with it. And they look amazing. We're gonna get a few shots of the car on the outside, and you guys can check it out. But so far, I'm super happy with it. And here it is. Honestly, it looks really good. It suits the wheel setup so nice. Like, check that out. Like, that looks absolutely bomb. The fitment, look at that. Just barely clears it. We still have a few mil. It's not that bad. But I'm running 2 spacers right now. I know it's a little ghetto, but I'm running 2 spacers right now, an 8 and a 5, so we have 13 mil right there. So if I get a 15 mil, I think we're gonna be absolutely bomb. But just checking for any leaks or anything like that. How is it? Any leaks? We are golden. Now, Mr. Alex is gonna take it for a drive, but we're gonna end this video here. I gotta let him enjoy it. He does a lot of the work on the car, so he's gotta enjoy it too. Not many people are allowed to drive this, but he is one of them. But they look so good. I think I just gotta tweak this wheel setup just a bit. I think I want a little thicker, the tires to be a little thicker, but I'm really happy with it. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. What do you guys think of it? Are you guys excited for the EP3 Type R and all the videos coming out? But that looks absolutely bomb. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to this guy, he's the best. The car's looking great. Comment down below. Make sure you do it once, you do it right. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, later.